A little rainy and windy out there right now on the weather deck, George. What can people expect if they are still planning to go out to vote later tonight?
Well, some more rain that's going to continue to just after the polls close tonight. But certainly has been a warm and windy day, occasionally wet as well. 13 weather ball is blinking bright. We have some evening showers lingering in sight. It's also blue. We're back to cooler weather in view around the region. Gray skies and some light to moderate rain down to the south and west of us. But temperatures very mild. We are in the mid and upper 60s, 70 in Battle Creek, 73 over in Ann Arbor and Detroit. Very unusually mild day and humid as well. Dew point 60 plus. Don't see this very often in early November. We had a break from some rain earlier today. We got some more scattered showers now moving in. Some of the heavier ones northwest of Chicago. No lightning or thunder with any of these, and they're all associated with this low pressure system moving up into Wisconsin. And once that cold front goes through later on tonight, after about 10 or 11 o'clock, chances of rain drop off considerably. There they go. And tomorrow we have a mostly cloudy day on tap. So limited sunshine until skies clear here tomorrow night, and lots of sunshine on Thursday. Seasonable temperatures Thursday as well into Friday. We're looking at some high clouds coming on in. Next, a weather maker will come in Saturday night and then leave us on Sunday afternoon. So some showers are likely. That'll be our next impact weather, and it's only just a little bit of rain. And as you can see, our day-by-day forecast has no rain until Saturday night and on Sunday, and then again a little bit later on next week. Long range outlook calls for temperatures to stay warmer than average for the days leading up to the firearm deer season on November 15th, and higher chances for more precipitation. Likely, if that happens, it'll be in the form of rain. So tonight, breezy with rain early and then just cloudy skies the rest of the night. Mid and upper 40s north to around 50 plus south. Northern areas upper 40s along US 10, maybe as warm as 52 in the morning in Greenville. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll see our light rain early tonight, and then it'll be just cloudy the rest of the night. Overnight lows in the low and mid 50s. 13 on your side forecast. Average high is 52. We'll make the upper 50s all the way into Saturday. Sunday, despite the rain, we'll hit 61. Next week, we'll stay dry, a little cooler, upper 50s with that overnight rain the following Tuesday night. As promised, it's been a warm, wet, and occasionally windy day here on Election Day. Not ideal, but certainly no snow. 13 weather ball is blinking bright. We have more showers in sight early tonight. It's also blue, cooler weather in view. Speaking of rain, we've had almost a third of an inch here in Grand Rapids, half an inch in Ionia. 8,300 over in Muskegon. Report from Fruitport up to 1.5 inches of rain in the last 24 hours. Winds are not strong right now. They're around 10 to 20 miles an hour, but earlier this afternoon they were gusting to around 35 to 45 miles per hour. Very few power outages reported by Consumers Energy. Light rain has moved back into the area. We have some moderate rain coming out over Lake Michigan, but this is out ahead of a cold front that's pushing through eastern Wisconsin right now. The leading edge of that is right there, and that will push through later on tonight, and that will pretty much put an end to our rain, but it won't be until after the polls close. This is 7 o'clock. Here's the back edge of the rain, quickly moving to the east after about 10 or 11 o'clock. We're going to be left with cloudy skies or a few breaks in the clouds during the day tomorrow. Northwest winds, though, bringing in some cooler, more seasonable weather in the 50s. Lots of sunshine on Thursday. Similar on Friday. Plenty of sunshine with some high clouds coming in at the end of the day. And we'll call it a partly sunny to mostly cloudy day on Saturday. All of those days, Wednesday through Saturday, will be dry. Now, Saturday night, there'll be some showers roll in, but then they'll push off to the east during the day on Sunday. Long range outlook. This is for the third week of November. We're looking at temperatures warmer than average, at least a higher chance for that, and a higher chance for more precipitation during that 7-day period. So tonight, it'll be breezy early with the rain ending. Mid and upper 40s north, around 50 from Muskegon southward. Northern areas, you'll be in the upper 40s, maybe 52 in Greenville, kind of breezy as well. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, breezier toward the lakeshore with the rain ending early tonight. Overnight lows in the low to mid 50s. 13 on your side forecast. Dry Wednesday through Saturday with more seasonable highs, although 52 is our average high. We'll be about 5 to 7 degrees warmer than that. We'll be up to 61 with some rain now on Sunday. Back to dry weather Monday and Tuesday with highs in the upper 50s.
Some rain and wind on this election day, George, but we've definitely seen much colder election days than we're seeing today. It's pretty mild out there.
Yeah, we have definitely seen much colder and more miserable kind of days. Very unusual, very humid here in West Michigan. It's been unusually warm and wet and windy. 13 weather ball is blinking bright. We do have some early evening showers in sight before they come to an end. It's also blue, cooler weather in view. Back into the 50s here during the day tomorrow. Made into the 60s, even 70 plus. Benton Harbor, Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, Ionia, 74 in Detroit. We made 68 here in Grand Rapids, well above our average of 52. Came within 2 degrees of our forecast high. We have been within our target range now 12 days in a row. How much rain did we get today? About 1/3 of an inch here in Grand Rapids and Holland, down toward Kalamazoo, 1/2 an inch in Ionia. About 9/10 of an inch over in Muskegon. One report near Fruitport had up to 1.5 inches of rain over the past 2 days or so, all being caused by this transport of water finally coming off the Gulf of Mexico. So we've had 2 days of rain, and we'll continue to see at least another 4 or 5 hours of rain, all because of this low pressure system moving up through Wisconsin. That's going to push a cold front through at the present time, and a little bit later on tonight that will come to an end. And then we're going to enter a period where it will be dry once again all day Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, even into Saturday. Not expecting any rain. Any rain on Sunday will be very light as well, but it will kind of be a damp day, and then drying out Monday and Tuesday next week before we see another round of rain the following Wednesday. Forecast then for tomorrow, look for mainly cloudy skies, a few breaks, especially around the Hart and Ludington area, but cooler. Highs will only be in the mid and upper 50s, warmer down in the southern part of our viewing area. Up to the north of us here in Grand Rapids will be in the mid 50s, but maybe as warm as 59 in Greenville. All of this well above average. We'll be around 59 to 61 here across the southwestern portion, the southern zone forecast, under mainly cloudy skies and lighter winds. 13 on your side forecast. As we showed you, dry and eventually sunnier skies Thursday through Saturday before the high clouds come on in. Mid and upper 50s, above our average of 52. 61 with light rain on Sunday. Back to sunny and breezy conditions, a little bit cooler next Monday, and dry again Tuesday before some overnight rain into the following Wednesday.